So I'm going to continue my New Year's tradition and build some Legos today on New Year's Day. So I've got the ATST, one of the newer models of it, and I've had it for a little bit. I'm waiting to put it together. I've also got a newer version of the Imperial Shuttle that I'll be putting together. These are the last two Star Wars sets that I have not put together yet, that I've had for a while. So once I get these put together, then I will collect all of my sets, put them on the table, and try to get another picture of all of the sets together, because it's been quite a few years since I've done that. So here we have all of my sets all put together, all in the same place, on the same table. New ATST, standing next to its Ultimate Collector's copy, and one of the originals. You can tell it is much improved over the very clunky original. So the only two Ultimate Collector sets that I have are the Y-Wing there and the ATST. So I've definitely got an awful lot of minifigures from just all the random sets, from a couple of advent calendars, and a bunch of just little sets that also came from the advent calendars. I make just little nice decorations all over the place. And there you have it. That's the results of the New Year's Day build. I'm looking forward to seeing what LEGO comes out with next so I can add it to my collection.